What's up guys, Knotty here from AnonymousStreetCars, about to head out to a car meet. It's more like a massive park and chill, but we'll see once we get there. I'm trying to see some Evos tonight, that's what I really want to see, and I'll be good for the night. But if you guys want to see some other type of cars, let me know in the comments. You guys can always comment down and I'll try to record those cars that you guys like as well, because I don't really know much about cars, but hopefully I will soon. And with your guys' help, I'll probably learn even more. But yeah, let's go head on out and see how packed it is. We are here at the first location, guys. There's barely any gas in my car. Yeah, I see security over there flashing his lights. So let's go check it out. We got security taking photos.
Somebody from my hood just got to.
Oh yeah, keep taking your push.
You like it? Huh? These guys taking pictures of me for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, because you're on private property.
Saying we're on private property, I guess.
Private property. Look at the sign.
We're only here for peaceful terms, though. Yeah. We're out here just trying to enjoy the cars. We're not no street racers, though. And the cops are here. Looks like they're blocking out the exits. Looks like I'm gonna call it a night. They're just blocking everyone off. I think this is the last location we're gonna be at. So I'll see you guys. Pretty sure you guys can't see me, but I'll see you guys till next time. Thank you.